Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. A number of things to talk with you about. I'll show you the deals I got. I'm going to talk with you about some clearance deals, including a moneymaker deal. I'm also going to show you the best grocery deals that are going on this week. I'll post clearance pictures at the end of the video. I did not have a digital booster this week for like spend 20, get 5. It was like, you know, make 7 purchases of X amount. And so I didn't have a digital booster I was working with. But last night when I stopped by the store to see what was on clearance, I got a paper booster for spend 40, get 9. So I have a scenario that I will share with you on that, a hair care, basically all hair care items. Before I get into that, one thing, I know a lot of people have found me on Facebook recently. If you like Facebook, you can find me at Saving with Christina. I'll try to remember to link it down in the comments. Instagram is probably where I spend most of my time. You can find me at Save with Christina, as well as on TikTok, Save with Christina. Now, why am I mentioning that? Because there was a fantastic deal from Amazon Fresh where you spend $100 in groceries. You use the code FRESH50 and it took $50 off. And it applied other discounts for me as well because I bought groceries that had coupons attached. So I ended up spending $44 for $100 worth of groceries delivered to my door. Now, a couple of things about this. One, it's not available in all areas. So you just have to check and see if it's available for you. I will link it down in the comments below. Some people are saying the code isn't working for them. Tons of other people are saying, thank you, the code did work for me. Now, why is it working for some people and not for others? I don't know. I have used Amazon Fresh before and the code still applied for me. So I'm kind of racking my brain as to why. Now, if you do the offer and try it, drop a comment down below. Let us know if it worked for you. But I will ask you a favor. If you are on Instagram, take a minute and watch my video on that offer. Like it, share it, comment on it. I'm trying to get that video to grow in views. I would appreciate your help in doing that. Okay, and obviously if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, you know that's free, right? You can just hit the subscribe button and you will see my videos. Okay, now let's talk about the deal. So I popped into Walgreens last night and I noticed a number of facial care products at 90% off. Let me share my favorite. It's the Biore Charcoal. This was marked from $8.99 down to 90 cents. There was a $2 Ibotta offer. So that made it free and $1.10 moneymaker. And it was a limit of 5. Now this is a product that I actually like. I bought 4 of them. So this was a big moneymaker for me and covered the other products that I bought last night. The Hemp's Lotion. These are $18.99 normally, or $19.99, I believe. And they were 90% off, making them $1.99 each. If you've tried the Hemp's Lotion, let me know what you think. I grabbed one of each kind to try it out and see what I thought of them. Another one that was 90% off was this Panoxyl. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's moisturizer with SPF in it. It was marked on clearance for $1. The Neutrogena, this product here, Daily Liquid Exfoliant, it was marked for $2.29. There were so many other products marked to 90% off. I'm going to post those pictures at the end of the video. I didn't buy them because I didn't think we would use them, but super, super great deals. I think that was all of the clearance. Okay, now let's talk about Easy Hair Care deal. The Dove shampoo conditioner is 2 for $8. Check your digital coupons for a $4 digital coupon. That makes it $4 for both, or $2 each. But if you place this as a curbside order, you can use the code TREAT10. That will take another 40 cents off, making it $3.60 for both, or $1.80 each. Now let's talk about the L'Oreal. Again, you can do this in-store or you can do it curbside. The L'Oreal is 2 for $9. There are 2 different digital coupons. There is a $3 manufacturer digital and a $2 store digital. Both of those will apply. If you do it for curbside, you can use that code TREAT10. It will take 40 cents off, leaving you to pay $3.60 for both or $1.80 each. The Garnier, this is one you would want to do in-store because it gives a register reward. When you spend $10, you get a $3 register reward. Now, the products are $8, which I know is annoying because you have to spend $10 to get the reward, but it actually works out better than you think. The whole blends are 2 for $8. There's a $3 digital. And then the regular Garnier is 2 for $8. There is a $3 digital. So buy 2 of each kind, that's $16. But with those $3 coupons, we're only going to pay $10, getting back a $3 register reward, making your final cost $7 or $1.75 each. And yes, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for these because you're getting a register reward back. Now, last hair care deal, lots of hair care deals this week. The Tresemme is $6 each. So you want to buy 2 of them, that's $12. There is a $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $8 and then get back a $5 register reward, making it $3 for both or $1.50 each. Now, what does that mean? Register reward means we need to do it in store. It also means you can use Walgreens cash to pay and you're still going to get that register reward back. Now, the Bic razors. So this is a great deal. These Bic Flex 3s, if you buy 3 of them, your total is going to come out to $12.47, and this is a curbside price, okay? Your in-store price may be more expensive. They are buy one, get one 50% off. They are also buy 3, get $3 in Walgreens cash, and we have digital coupons. So put 3 in your cart, $12.47. There's 2 different $3 digitals that will come off. Go ahead and use that code TREAT10 because we're doing it for curbside. It's going to take another 65 cents off, leaving us to pay $5.82, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash. I did this. I got the $3 in Walgreens cash back. That's already a great deal, but because we have 3 items, we've only used 2 coupons. We can submit the 3rd item to the Shop Ma'am app and get $3 back, making all 3 of these free and an 18-cent moneymaker. So great deal on the Bic razors. Now, I think I talked about everything except the grocery deals. Let's quickly talk about the grocery deals. The Nice brand cereal on sale for $1.99. That's just a super simple deal. The trail mix is $2.18. Decent price on the trail mix. The Nice potato chips are $1.99. I bought a pack this week because I want to try them. I have no idea if they're any good. Let me know what you think if you've tried them. The Lay's potato chips, if that's more your jam, they're on sale 2 for $7. Quaker oatmeal is on sale 2 for $8. That makes it $4 per big canister. That's cheaper than my grocery store. The Planters peanuts, I love those honey roasted peanuts. They're 2 for $5. There's a $1.50 digital coupon, which makes it $3.50 for both or $1.75 each. And then I noticed the Dunkin' Donuts coffee was on sale for $5.99. Now, that Treat 10 coupon is working on like the personal care beauty products. Try Get 10 as well and see if that applies 10% off on some of the other items that you are purchasing. I did not use that code this week, but I just wanted to throw that out there in case you wanted to try it. Now, how I did the spend 40, get 9. It's not the best deal ever, but it's not bad. And I didn't include clearance products because I know that that's really spotty. Not all stores have the same clearance. So what I worked up to share with you guys is buying 2 of the Dove, 2 of the L'Oreal, 4 of the Garnier, 2 of the Tresemme. So all of that in your cart physically in the store. Now, remember, we have to be at $40 for that spend booster after any of the store digitals come off. So that $2 store digital brings my total to $43 for all of those products. Now, we had the manufacturer coupons for each of these items. My total after all of those come off is $26. I had a ton of register rewards from last week. I used those to pay down my balance. Just make sure at the top of your register rewards, you're only using the manufacturer register rewards, not any that say store coupon, because that will reduce your spend amount. Now, I got back $9 for spending $40. I got back the $3 register reward for the Garnier and the $5 register reward for the Tresemme. That left my final cost for all of those products at $9 or 90 cents per item. So just an idea to share with you guys if you want to do a spend 40, get 9 digit or store coupon like paper booster. And I don't know why sometimes you get them and sometimes you don't. Last night I got this spend 40 get 9 that printed at the register. Today when I checked out, I got 20% off a $10 or more purchase for non-sale items. Why they print for some people, why they don't print for others, no idea. I can't help you out on that. Now, if you have questions, drop it down in the comment section below. If you're not already following me on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, whichever platform you love, find me. I would love to see your name over there on any of those platforms. I do have to say that Instagram is my favorite. I don't know why, other than I feel like it's the most user-friendly and it's the fastest one for me to put deals out on. I do love YouTube because I feel like I get a chance to talk to you guys and actually explain some of the deals in more detail where I can't do that on a platform like Instagram or TikTok as easily. All right, I hope you guys have a fabulous week and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.